Imagine standing in the dense, fog-covered woods of the Pacific Northwest, tracking a rare, lightning-fast peregrine falcon diving through the canopy at 200 miles per hour. Your heart is pounding, your hands are freezing, and you have exactly one fraction of split second to lock focus, track the movement, and capture a crystal-clear image. In moments like this, your gear isn't just a tool. It is the thin boundary between a once-in-a-lifetime masterpiece and a blurry, heartbreaking disappointment. For years, wildlife, sports, and hybrid creators have relied on crop sensor bodies to give them that extra reach, but they always had to compromise on sensor readout speed, rolling shutter distortion, or low-light performance. That long-standing compromise is about to be utterly shattered because the camera industry is currently shaking to its absolute core with the explosive, leaked details of the brand-new Canon EOS R7 Mark II. This isn't just an incremental upgrade or a safe, boring refresh of a past model. It is a complete, aggressive redefining of what a pro-level APS-C flagship can actually achieve. As rumor mills boil over and early units circulate among select global field testers, the sheer volume of breakthroughs packed into this compact body is sending shockwaves through the community. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Every single major pain point of the original system has been meticulously analyzed, torn down, and engineered out of existence to create a monster of speed and precision. Whether you are a dedicated bird photographer needing extreme pixel density, an action sports videographer demanding flawless tracking, or a tech enthusiast tracking the cutting edge of imaging science, this development represents a massive historical shift. Over the course of this deep dive, we're going to unbox the absolute truth, expose every leaked hardware specification, break down the revolutionary internal processing architecture, and reveal the exact timeline for when you can finally get your hands on this game-changing machine. To understand why the entire global photography community is losing its collective mind over this release, we first have to peel back the layers of what made the original model both beloved and deeply frustrating. When the first-generation flagship arrived, it brought a massive 32.5 megapixel sensor and incredible burst rates to the table. But it was held back by a slow, traditional front-side illuminated sensor readout that caused horrific rolling shutter effect. If you tried to pan quickly with an electronic shutter or record fast-moving video, vertical poles bent like rubber and bird wings warped into unnatural, distorted shapes. The mechanical shutter, while reliable, was loud enough to startle sensitive wildlife and suffered from a notorious phenomenon known as shutter shock, which could micro-blur your images at specific critical shutter speeds. Add to that a highly controversial, awkward rear control layout that combined the joystick and the control dial into a single clustered ring, and many professional shooters hesitated to fully adopt it into their daily workflows. Canon listened to every single piece of feedback, every angry forum post, and every field report from frustrated professionals, and they responded not with a bandage, but with a total engineering revolution. The heart and soul of the upcoming monster is a completely redesigned, groundbreaking 39-megapixel backside illuminated stacked CMOS sensor. This is the holy grail of APS-C imaging technology because a stacked architecture detaches the pixel circuitry from the processing layers, allowing data to move at blinding, instantaneous speeds never before seen in a crop sensor format. The move to a stacked sensor means that the sensor readout speed of this camera is rumored to closely match, or in some specific scenarios even exceed, the blistering performance of the full-frame flagship EOS R5 Mark II. This eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter distortion entirely, allowing you to shoot silently at maximum speeds using the electronic shutter without ever worrying about straight lines bending or fast action warping out of proportion. Think about what that means for a wildlife photographer shooting deep in a quiet forest. You can fire off endless high-speed bursts in complete, absolute silence without tipping off your subject or ruining a pristine natural moment. Furthermore, The jump to 39 megapixels on a crop sensor provides an astonishing level of pixel density that full-frame users can only dream of without buying insanely expensive, heavy telephoto lenses. If you crop a high-resolution full-frame image down to match an APS-C field of view, you lose a massive amount of resolution. But with this dedicated system, you get 39 megapixels of pure, razor-sharp detail packed directly into the center of the image circle. This gives you a massive advantage when tracking small, distant subjects like birds, field athletes, or distant vehicles, allowing you to crop in even further during post-processing while maintaining enough resolution to print massive, gallery-quality physical displays. The backside illuminated design ensures that despite the smaller, more densely packed pixels, low-light performance is drastically improved over its predecessor, pulling clean, noise-free details out of deep, shadowed environments even at incredibly high ISO values. But a lightning-fast, high-resolution stack sensor is completely useless if the internal brain of the camera cannot handle the massive, tidal wave of data being thrown at it every single millisecond. To solve this massive computational bottleneck, Canon has integrated their brand-new, cutting-edge dual-processor system featuring the classic DIGIC X image processor paired alongside a dedicated DIGIC Accelerator coprocessor. This dual-engine setup completely separates the heavy lifting of raw image processing from the real-time, high-speed computational demands of autofocus tracking and artificial intelligence matrix calculations. The DIGIC Accelerator acts like a supercomputer dedicated solely to analyzing the scene before you even press the shutter button, running advanced deep learning algorithms at speeds that feel almost like science fiction. This processing power enables an electronic burst rate of up to 40 frames per second with full continuous autofocus and auto-exposure tracking, all while maintaining a massive buffer that won't choke up when things get intense. More importantly, it brings the highly anticipated pre-continuous shooting mode to the flagship crop line, allowing the camera to constantly cache up to 50 raw frames while you half-press the shutter button. The moment you see a bird take flight or a batter hit a ball and you press the shutter fully, the camera saves the previous half-second of action that occurred before your human reflexes could even react. This feature alone completely changes the game for action photography, ensuring you never miss the absolute peak moment of an event because of natural human reaction delay. The autofocus system driven by this new dual-processor architecture is being described by industry insiders as quite literally the best, most advanced autofocus array ever implemented in an APS-C camera, period. It leverages the next generation of dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, combined with neural network-trained subject detection algorithms that can identify, lock onto, and track a mind-boggling variety of subjects with terrifying accuracy. The system doesn't just look for generic shapes. It actively recognizes human eyes, faces, torsos, and intricate body poses, meaning that even if an athlete turns their back completely to the camera or their face is completely obscured by a helmet, the system maintains a sticky, unbreakable lock on their position. For wildlife enthusiasts, the animal tracking algorithms have been deeply trained on everything from tiny, erratic insects and hidden lizards to deep-sea marine life and birds flying through dense, distracting branches. The camera can instantly distinguish between a bird's eye and a stray twig, ignoring the foreground clutter that traditionally ruins autofocus tracking in complex natural habitats. Vehicle tracking has also been expanded to include not just race cars and motorcycles, but commercial trains, aircraft, and high-speed drones, locking directly onto the cockpit or front grille with precision. This level of autofocus intelligence means you can completely stop worrying about technical focus acquisition and focus 100% of your creative energy on framing, composition, and capturing the perfect emotional narrative. To keep these razor-sharp images perfectly stable under the most demanding, chaotic real-world content, IONS, the hardware, features a completely overhauled 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that delivers an astonishing 8.5 stops of shake correction. When paired with stabilized RF lenses, the coordinated control between the lens mechanics and the floating sensor creates an incredibly steady shooting platform. allowing you to handhold shots at incredibly slow shutter speeds without a tripod. Imagine being able to capture a smooth, silky waterfall or a crisp night cityscape at a full 2-second exposure entirely handheld, without a bulky tripod weighing you down on a long, exhausting mountain hike. This industry-leading stabilization is equally transformative for handheld videographers, smoothing out micro jitters, heavy footsteps, and fast panning movements so effectively that it often completely eliminates the need for an external motorized gimbal. For run-and-gun documentary filmmakers, vloggers, or indie creators, this means you can pack lighter, move faster, and capture professional, cinematic footage in tight, crowded spaces where deploying stabilization rigs would be completely impossible. The system responds dynamically to your movements, distinguishing between accidental camera shake and intentional, artistic cinematic pans, ensuring your footage looks incredibly organic, fluid, and natural. When it comes to physical design and build quality, Canon completely threw out the old playbook to address the ergonomic criticisms that plagued the first-generation crop flagship. The new body is moving completely upmarket, featuring a larger, significantly more robust form factor that closely mirrors the professional, battle-tested layout of the full-frame EOS R6 series. This increased body size provides a deep, comfortable, and incredibly secure hand grip that makes shooting with massive, heavy telephoto L-series lenses feel perfectly balanced during long, grueling days in the field. The controversial combined joystick and rear scroll wheel layout has been completely discarded, replaced by a traditional, highly intuitive separate joystick and a dedicated, ultra-tactile thumb dial that professional shooters can operate flawlessly by muscle memory alone. The top plate now features 3 separate, fully customizable control wheels, giving you instantaneous, tactile control over your shutter speed, aperture, and ISO simultaneously without ever taking your eye away from the action. The weather sealing has been significantly upgraded to full professional standards, utilizing high-grade magnesium alloy chassis construction wrapped in dense, moisture-resistant rubber gaskets that can easily withstand torrential downpours, blowing desert sand, and freezing Arctic temperatures. Furthermore, the camera now features native compatibility with professional portrait battery grips, providing seamless duplicate vertical controls and doubling your battery capacity for extended shoots.